for the start of what's going to be an amazing Piston Cup race season.
Please back up, just maybe a little bit, please.
Focus, speed, I am speechless.
Champ, that must sting at you.
And it's slowly. I'm right.
You know what? You just lost your airbag privileges.
Now that's a lot of damage! My ears burn!
With Mario. Out of my way!
Here comes 900 horsepower. Did I mess up that turn?
Who wants to see the underworld?
What is that? Don't get run away from me! Get out the way! Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. You have spirit!
All eyes are on Lightning McQueen. As far as the fans were concerned, it's going to be Chick versus Lightning this time. Chick ain't going to give up that trophy so easily either. Lightning McQueen, buddy, you better watch your back. My bones.